Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a Dyson DC44 and we're going to be replacing a battery. And just to give you an idea, I got the replacement battery from Amazon, but this battery will fit a couple different models. So make sure you check your model, match it up with the correct battery. But anyhow, let me take the power head off of this vacuum here and put that down next to me. I assume that's probably going to fall at some point, so forgive me for that ahead of time. So anyway, so this is your Dyson handle. Again, like I said, the DC44, pretty straightforward. This is your battery pack. It may tell you what type it is. It may not, depending on the model that you have. But this one is, it only fit the type B for the DC44. So just to give you a kind of an idea, it is a pretty simple process, quick and easy. Basically, you're going to be hitting this top button, and that's going to separate your vacuum from the body, just to give you kind of an idea there. And this is a filter, and this is, if you've never done it, you can clean this and rinse it through. So we'll put that off to the side. Now that's going to expose two screws. We have one screw here, and then we have one screw that is here in the front. We're going to remove this one first, and it just takes a simple Phillips head screwdriver. Like I said, it is two screws, super quick, super easy. You flip it over, and then you have your other screw here, and then you just loosen that up. And this one, you kind of need to maybe give it a couple good thumps with your hand, because sometimes the threads like to stick on that. All right, there we go. So a couple quick taps with your hand, that screw comes out, and then this battery just basically pulls apart like that. And then we have our replacement battery. And to give you an idea of basically how similar they are, so you can see how the fittings are basically the same, the power ports are the same, so that's basically an identical fit. And then we are basically just putting that battery up, matching, make sure everything's nice and tight, and we'll kind of do the reverse here, but we'll put this battery on in the front, and then the front area, just kind of like twist it. Sometimes I go counterclockwise real quick just so it can find its thread, find its home. And then just tighten that down. And you don't have to go like super tight on that, just so it's snug. And then this top screw just slides back in there. And again, just tighten it down. Make it snug. You don't have to, like, you know, make it super duper tight. Then you put your air filter back into place. Make sure that sits on there. Like I said, this is a good time to rinse that out. And then you are basically putting these two halves together. So see, I'm doing that, kind of putting on a slight tilt in, locks into place, and then you have your battery installed and you're ready to go. Anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.